Thinking about tackling a cabinet refacing project yourself, here's what you need to know about the risks involved. First off, let's talk complexity. Refacing isn't just slapping on some new paint, it involves installing new cabinet doors and updating hardware, which requires specialized tools and skills. If you're inexperienced, this could be challenging. Next, time commitment. Professionals can whip through this in a few days. But if you're doing it yourself, you might spend weeks just learning and working on it. Now, quality of results. Professionals typically deliver top-notch finishes. Without experience, achieving a high-quality look can be tough. You don't want to end up with a subpar kitchen, right? Let's not forget costly mistakes. DIY errors can be expensive to fix. From damaging the cabinets to using the wrong materials, these mistakes can quickly add up. There are also health and safety risks. Working with toxic adhesives, paints, and power tools can be hazardous if not handled correctly. And lastly, warranty concerns. DIY work might void your cabinet warranty, leaving you unprotected if issues arise. Now let's quickly go through the refacing process. First, gather tools like screwdrivers, saws, and drills. Next, detach fixtures and doors. Remove handles and doors for the refacing process. Then reface the interior. Apply wood veneer or laminate to the cabinet's interior. Replace hinges, update or reuse hinges as needed. Install new doors, attach new doors or fronts to the cabinet, and finally, upgrade fixtures. Consider upgrading to match your kitchen style. For a professional touch and superior results, consider reaching out to Viteri Cucine. Contact them at 402-505-3381 or fill out their online form to get started. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY tips and tricks.